Assalamu alaikum. So I'm Dr. Amna Subhan. I'm consultant gastroenterologist and at Al Khan University and Hospital, and I'm the General Secretary and the Chair Scientific Committee for the 14th Annual Conference of Pakistan Society for the Study of Liver Disease. So I think with the new norms in our lives with this COVID pandemic, there are so many different modalities that people are now interacting with each other. For instance, the scientific conferences where the people were like attending physically, now there are so many conferences which are actually virtual. And there are hybrid meetings as well. So now let's have few feedbacks and views of our participants as well as our faculty members about our recent virtual PSSLD 14th annual conference, and they have attended few more conferences as well. So what their perspective about the virtual conferences, should they be adopted in the future as regular activities, or the physical is better, or there should be a hybrid meeting? So let's hear from them. So we have Dr. Yasir Zaidi.
Assalamu alaikum, ladies and gentlemen. I am Dr. Yasir Abbas Zaidi from National Medical University, Multan. I'm working as Assistant Professor of Gastroenterology over there. I've been a regular attendee, an organizer and a participant of such meetings in Pakistan. Here I am as a participant from the province of Punjab and representing my institute. It's a wonderful opportunity for our doctors and fellow colleagues to share their experiences. And in the wake of this pandemic, हमारा मैसेज यही है कि अपने घर पर रहते हुए हम आप लोगों को नॉलेज और एक्सपीरियंस शेयर कर सकें, जिसकी वजह से जो स्प्रेड ऑफ नॉलेज है उसका तरीक़ाकार जो है वो जारी रहे और ये महदूद होकर ना रह जाए, और जितने एक्सपीरियंसेस हमारे लोकल और इंटरनेशनल हों वो हमारे बाकी कोलीग्स तक पहुँच सकें। और इसके लिए मैं हमारे जो ऑर्गेनाइजर्स हैं उनका शुक्रगुजार हूँ कि उन्होंने इतनी बेहतरीन ऑर्गेनाइज कॉन्फ्रेंस की और इस स्प्रेड ऑफ नॉलेज को पॉसिबल बनाया। थैंक यू वेरी मच। ओवर टू सर।
Thank you, Arif Amin Nawaz. I'm a gastroenterologist in Lahore. COVID has affected several areas of our life. So अगर आप मैं लिस्ट करना शुरू करूँ तो बहुत सारे होंगे, but just broadly इसमें health है, education है, travel है, economy है और entertainment है. These are the main sectors that I can think of. हम as colleagues here are very actively involved with health and education, and I think COVID or no COVID, life has to go on. And this is जिस organizer ने ये show किया है कि the activities shouldn't come to hold. We should continue this, but reimagine. Everything is possible. Humankind is very, very, I would say, resilient, and they find ways around it. So this virtual conference is one of the ways of doing it, and I would like to congratulate our organizers कि इस meeting उन्होंने conduct किया. For me personally, this is my second meeting of liver that has been held virtually. So in a way, the hepatology, I would say, community has taken the lead in continuing this education. Today there were some excellent participants from our colleagues from India. We have had people from England, USA. So again, my message to you is, don't give up your precautions. The COVID precautions, we have to take them, but life has to go on. Reimagine कि उसी constraint में आप कैसे move forward कर सकते हैं. And we wish you all the best and look forward to many such occasions. And one last message is, even when we start physical meetings, virtual has a place. It has a place because आपकी जो coverage का area है, that's infinite. The entire globe is your coverage area. So इसको viability मिलेगी. And finally, before I wrap up, ये message इस वक्त आपके पास disease digest के through पहुँचेगा. I would like to commend them on their efforts and spreading our message and continuing through this COVID. They have been very much part of all our endeavors in getting the message across. So thank you very much. My only suggestion is disease digest को help digest कर दें, तो I think it will be much better. Thank you.
Thank you.
Assalamualaikum everyone. I'm Dr. Farhana Kayani and I'm a consultant gastroenterologist from Bulan Medical College, Quetta. Being a participant in this annual conference of Pakistan Society of Study of Liver Disease, being a virtual platform, I must appreciate the organizers and the committee of Pakistan Society of Study of Liver Disease to arrange such a fantastic meeting. On the other behalf, being it virtual, I must say that even from the desk of your home or office, you can actually come up to this, can join these meetings, and you can share your experiences and learn a lot. So I believe this is the virtual must go on, but along with that, I believe physical conferences, they have got their own value. So hybrid meeting must be, I believe, in future one of our options. So that's it. Thank you.
Okay, so let's hear from Professor Zainul Abbas. Professor Zainul Abbas is the President of Pakistan Society for the Study of Liver Disease and the Chair Organizing Committee of 14th Annual Meeting PSSME.
जी, अस्सलामुअलैकुम. So we are having a very successful meeting now. We have some problems with the virtual meeting. We are using a 2D platform. Firstly, there is a problem of login, how to log in, because 2D platforms are not mobile or cell phone friendly. But if you are on the laptop, they are very friendly. So there we are receiving complaints. So login problem is there in the virtual meetings that need to be taken care of. दूसरी जो यहाँ पे मैं देख रहा हूँ कि interaction is less because physically when people are present, they are able to exchange views with each other. And they get new ideas about research and about future planning, about academic activities. But in the virtual platform, this is usually what I can see is not becoming possible to that extent. But there are good points also. Like we have about 35 international speakers in the physical conferences. We have always a problem asking them to come all the way to Pakistan and travel and spending so much time. So इस दफ़ा वो नहीं है. We had to spend a lot of money also for their travel, for the hospitality and hotel stay and return ticket business class. वो हम सारा सेव कर रहे हैं. लेकिन at the same time we are not getting the good sponsorship that we usually get from the industry. So there are pros and cons, like Dr. Arif Muhammad has said. The future would be of hybrid meetings in which there will be physical component as well as the virtual component. So thank you very much.
Of our meeting, Dr. Nazif Bhatt, and now she'll be sharing her views.
Assalamu alaikum, good afternoon. So as you all know that we are living in the era of pandemic, which is COVID-19, and we have to survive in this era with following all the SOPs. And meanwhile, we have to continue our all educational activities, our academic activities. So this virtual conferences is basically a very good platform for experience all the world-class leaders in the field of hepatology. And I would like to congratulate Professor Zainul Abbas, Professor Dr. Amna Subhan for organizing such a wonderful meeting. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Nazif. Thank you very much, faculties and the participants for your feedback. I think as Professor Arif Amin Nawaz said, the life should continue. We should not stop. And this is an opportunity. There are pros and cons, but definitely one can think. And many of the activities is actually conducted from the virtual forums, but probably hybrid will be the best modality which actually people can use in the future. Thank you very much, Disease Digest team, for sharing our views on your network and all. And as again,